How to redeem KFC voucher using the app. Now, in this method, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way for you to redeem KFC voucher using the KFC application. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, just simply go into your Google Play Store or any app store available on your phone. And this is going to be the application that you need to download depending on your country or region. Make sure as well that it is fully updated to the latest version so that you will not encounter any bugs and crashes upon ordering something on this app. Now, once you pull it up, you should be able to see four options below like home, coupons, menu, and then sign in. Now you can head straight into the coupons option, and if you scroll down a bit, you should be able to see these two boxes here. It's going to be type in a deal code and then add to wallet. Now, if you have the promo code on hand or the voucher, all you have to do is to type in the unique code that you have, and then once you hit on go, it will automatically be redeemed. But make sure that you fully understand and read terms and conditions of the voucher that you would like to use. But that's the most convenient way for you to redeem the KFC voucher using the KFC app.